When you're searching APA PsycInfo, it can be helpful to use a citation management tool to store, organize, and share the citations that you find. You'll also find that these tools make formatting your citations in your paper and bibliography a breeze. In this video, you'll learn how to export items from your APA PsycInfo search on APA PsycNet into citation management tools like RefWorks, EndNote, Mendeley, or Zotero. While this video will focus on using APA PsycInfo, the techniques demonstrated here will be applicable for two other PsycNet databases, APA PsycArticles or APA PsycBooks. To start, let's look at some of the results in APA PsycInfo. I conducted a search on the social behavior of elephants, and my search yielded 100 results. At this point, you can export all of the results to your preferred citation management tool, or you can select a few on-topic results and only export those items. Right now, I only need to find 5 to 10 relevant articles to get started on my research, so I'll look through the results and select a handful that look relevant. When I see an on-topic item, I'll select it by clicking on the box on the left of the title. Once I've selected all items I'm interested in, I'll click on the Export button located just above the results. This will open an export box with a drop-down menu listing several of the more popular citation management tools. Please note that APA PsycNet does not support exports from APA PsycExtra, APA PsycTest, or APA PsycTherapy due to the non-standard record types in these databases. If you're using EndNote Web or RefWorks, your results will automatically be sent to the appropriate tool. Let's select EndNote Web to see how this works. I'll indicate that I only want to send the 5 items that I selected to EndNote by selecting the button that says Selected Records on this page. Then I'll select the Go button. Once I do, EndNote Web automatically opens on another tab in my browser. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once signed in, your results will be sent to the tool. If you sent a large set of results, this may take a few minutes. Once the items have imported, you're ready to start using the tool to manage your citations. So for EndNote Web and RefWorks, you have your citations automatically sent to your citation management tool. But if you're using another tool, such as EndNote Desktop, Mendeley, or Zotero, you'll need to create an RIS file and import this file to your tool. Let's go back to APA PsycInfo and see how this works if I were using Zotero. Here again, I have 100 results on the social behavior of elephants. This time, I'm going to export all the results from the first page. First, I'll click on the Export button from the pull-down menu and select Zotero. To send all items from the first page of results, I'll select the button next to All Records on the page and click Go. APA PsycInfo automatically creates an RIS file that I can download. Make sure you save this file somewhere that's easy to find, such as on your desktop or in your Downloads folder. Once the files download, import it into your citation management tool. If you have access to Academic Writer, you can directly export your reference list from APA PsycNet and import it into this APA-style tool. A new tab will open with Academic Writer, asking you to confirm your reference import. From there, you can view your newly imported records. Also, if you're using a citation management tool that I haven't mentioned, click on the reference software link from the drop-down menu to download an RIS file that you can upload into this tool as well. In other cases, you may wish to download a CSV file, which opens with Microsoft Excel. But what if you want to export many hundreds or thousands of results? APA PsycNet can display a maximum of 100 results on the search page, but you can export up to 1,000 citations at a time. This requires a little bit of setup. but it will be faster than exporting 100 records at a time. First, log into or create your free APA PsycNet account. Start with an empty My List. Back on the PsycNet search results page, be sure the display is set to show 100 search results. Use the All checkbox to select all 100 search results on the page. Go to the next page and repeat to select a total of 1,000 records across 10 pages of results. Once 1,000 records are selected, select the star icon to add to my list. Select all 10 pages from my list. Then, from within my list, export the 1,000 records. Check to be sure that the export has worked. Now, delete all records from my list. On the results page, select all records from pages 11 through 20 and add to my list, and repeat until all desired records are exported. In summary, exporting results from an APA PsycInfo search to a citation management tool is as easy as selecting the Export button just above your results. Thanks for watching. For more search tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.